He has injury, Chief. And those interpreters, after those are not coaches, they're interpreters. Because they were interpreting for
Yeah,
now.
because
They
there
should have
was,
taken Kune.
There was-
They should have taken Kune.
Coach, what was the score?
3-0.
3-0 to
Supposed to be 4, but
Which
just,
one to
just
read?
Philippines.
Which one to win?
Emuna. Mine ke amarara.
Which one?
The Pirates won the beat Chiefs.
Okay.
Ah, very good.
I didn't know. I didn't know, guys. Like, sorry.
Oh, now we are a
No, I
Pirates
didn't
fan.
know that it was Pirates that won. So now it's fine.
Yes.
So now I'm only Kaizer Chiefs fan here.
Mama,
Eh?
You are
which
alone
Kaizer
now.
Chiefs?
No, I'm alone.
What is Kaizer Chiefs?
So now we are no longer Kaizer Chiefs fan.
Guys, what is Kaizer Chiefs?
Welcome back.
Go with the winning team.
That's why people are killing themselves. Because of
You see, Chiefs on its own, its relationship, it can kill you. Change it.
Wabana Kaizer
Hey,
Chiefs.
hey.
Wabana Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs. Lema 2000. Baba Tleo Bulare. That was South Africa.
But he just said it. He just said move on. I moved on, guys. I moved on now.
Now I know even my house can leak how I can sleep with the baguette here on my top. I'll never leave that house.
Fix it.